North Georgia asphalt under a burning sun. Dalton chapter 182, we ride as one. Chrome pipes gleaming on the interstate line, leaving all our worries and the world behind. We're the Southern Cruisers, a brotherhood proud. We're the Southern Cruisers, standing out from the crowd.
Early sun on chrome at the county line. Dalton wakes up slow and we fall in line. Chapter 182, rolling side by side. We're on chapter 002, right there for the ride. Tank full, hearts wide, you can hear us coming. One road, one good day, keeps the whole town humming. Southern Cruisers Riding Club, Dalton, Georgia, chapter 1882. Southern Cruisers Riding Club, Rome chapter 0022. Rebekha Davis Car, truck and bike show. We roll in for the little ones. Proceeds to St. Jude's, that's what we do. Cowboy boots on boards, jeans and ball caps too. Tailpipe singing low through the morning dew. Polished fenders shine under God's blue sky. Neighbors wave us on as the miles slip by. One big ribbon of steel, one shared prayer. Every mile we make takes a burden there. Southern Cruisers Riding Club, Dalton, Georgia, chapter 182. Southern Cruisers Riding Club, Rome chapter 0022. Rebekha Davis Car, truck and bike show. We roll in for the little ones. Proceeds to St. Jude's, that's what we do. If you need a reason, look at the smiles. Look at the families waiting all the while. We came to show up, we came to give. That's country in motion, that's the way we live. Southern Cruisers Riding Club, Dalton, Georgia, chapter 182. Southern Cruisers Riding Club, Rome chapter 0022. Rebekha Davis Car, truck and bike show. We roll in for the little ones. Proceeds to St. Jude's, that's what we do. Gas tank filled up at the edge of town. Got the chrome polished up, sun shining down. Engine turns over with a heavy roar. Dalton, Georgia, chapter 182 at the door. Passing through Whitfield under open chapter 182, where we wanna be. Two wheels rolling on that southern ground. Best folks in Georgia that you ever found. Cruising through the hills with the brotherhood, living every mile like a back road should. Riding down 41, heading out south, laughing at the jokes from a good friend's mouth. Leather jacket shining in the afternoon light, riding through the day right into the night, side by side on the long blue highway line. Everything's smooth and everything's fine. We are the Southern Cruisers, riding real free. Dalton chapter 182, where we wanna be. Two wheels rolling on that southern ground. Best folks in Georgia that you ever found. Cruising through the hills with the brotherhood, living every mile like a back road should. From the ridge to the valley, hear the engine sound. Proud of this town where our wheels hit the ground. No matter where the highway leads us to, we're riding together, loyal and true. We are the Southern Cruisers, riding real free. Dalton chapter 182, where we wanna be. Two wheels rolling on that southern ground. Best folks in Georgia that you ever found. Cruising through the hills with the brotherhood, living every...
North Georgia asphalt under a burning sun. Dalton chapter 182, we ride as one. Chrome pipes gleaming on the interstate line, leaving all our worries and the world behind. We're the Southern Cruisers, a brotherhood proud.